What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. It's 2026. If your prop firm still forces you to choose between trading only crypto or only forex, or if they force you to close your trades every Friday night, you are settling for less. The trading landscape has completely changed, and I've been hunting for a multi-asset prop firm that actually treats traders like adults. There is one platform checking every single box for me right now, and that is the Drift Fund. Welcome back, guys. If you want a funded trading account that lets you trade forex and crypto in one account, listen up. With Drift Fund, you do not need a second login, a second account, or a second purchase. It is literally one single balance and one unified set of rules. You can trade crypto with leverage and forex in lots right from the exact same browser-based terminal at the same time. Honestly, I can say that this is the most efficient way to manage a funded account in 2026. That being said, guys, if you want to be a successful funded trader, these are the 5 things you need to demand from your platform. First, you need multi-asset one balance access. Most firms keep your money locked in separate silos, but with Drift Fund, you have one unified balance under one roof. You can hold a Bitcoin perpetual position and a Euro or USD Forex position at the exact same time, guys. Both trades count toward your single equity and your single target. There is zero platform setup, no weird external software, and absolutely no downloads. You simply just log in and trade in your browser. Second, you need true weekend flexibility, and for forex traders, this is massive. As you know, guys, standard prop firms hit you with rules that force you to close everything out before the weekend. Drift Fund is a prop firm that allows weekend holding for forex, and because crypto never sleeps, their automated rules never assume the markets are closed. That means that you can hold forex positions over the weekend without penalties or stress. Third, you need verifiable lightning-fast payouts, but how do you know a prop firm actually pays out? Well, it's simple, guys. You just check the blockchain. Drift Fund offers on-chain payout verification, meaning that every single payment is public and verifiable on the ledger. When you request your prop firm payout, it's processed within 24 hours and paid out in crypto like USDT or USDC. As you can see, guys, this is a completely transparent prop firm payout system. Then, guys, as number 4, you want a high profit split prop firm. Drift Fund lets you keep up to a 90% profit split on what you earn once you pass. This means that you can request a withdrawal anytime your profit is at 3% or more. And as number 5, guys, you need clear and transparent set of rules. That's very important because there are no hidden traps here. To get a funded crypto trading account or forex account, you choose your size from $10,000 to $300,000 with a simple one-time fee. Your profit target is a straightforward 10%. You have a 4% daily loss limit and a 6% maximum overall drawdown. There are no time limits to pass, meaning no countdown clock is working against you. You just need to trade for a minimum of 5 separate days. Just keep it consistent, meaning no single trading day can make up more than 40% of your total profit, and always place a stop loss within 5 minutes of opening a trade. If you're stepping up to the Drift Fund Funded Trading Challenge, remember to treat this like a real business and not a casino. Use this platform as a tool to sharpen your risk management, keep your position sizes tight, and play the long game. So if you want to see exactly how the platform works, be sure to check out the link in the description. Your success is entirely up to your execution and your discipline. This is your favorite trading partner signing off.